Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever they are seen. Welcome today. We will talk about the brain and clinical cosmos. Members: Melissa Karen Aldana Benitez and Soleil Cervantes Cervantes.
The brain is a complex organ of the skull location in the anterior and superior part of the cranial cavity. It manages the activity of the nervous system. It is part of the central nervous system. CNS, the brain flux on the transparent liquid called the cerebrospinal fluid that fulfills the protective functions in the immune system.
Function. The brain is related to the senses, emotion, memory, and reaction. In short, it is the head of our body. It is responsible for receiving, processing, and responding to different stimuli. For example, when reading the hand or hot surface, the brain receives and signal that the temperature is very high. The ear responds by sending an order to the muscle of the hand to render it immediately.
The brain is divided into three parts: the cerebellum, the brainstem, and cerebral cortex. The cerebellum will control balance, coordination, and movement, while the brainstem connects directly with the spinal cord, coordination, the digestion, breathing, and heartbeat. The cerebral cortex, it is the outermost layer of the brain, formed by the neurons that are connected to each other, where they will transmit the information from the nerve impulse.
Development, my part, left and right hemisphere. The brain is divided into two hemispheres cerebral, the left and the right. The right part is related to nonverbal expression, for example, intuition or recognition of faces, voices, melodies. This hemisphere, thought and memories are manifested through images. If the left hemisphere is inspired, the person will find it difficult to speak and write. You will also have trouble expressing yourself and understand language. The functions are the capacity for analysis, reasoning, logical for resolve problems, numerical between others.
Both hemispheres, they are connected with the fibers of the corpus callosum. The right hemisphere controls the left side and the left hemisphere controls the right side. Both hemispheres will be formed by the four lobes, parts of the human brain and their functions. Frontal lobe, planning, emotions, movements, intelligence, memory, personality. Temporal lobe, Plain vision function regulates emotions, hearing, and speech. Parietal lobe. It has the function of language, feeling, reading, and intelligence. Occipital lobe fulfills the function of processing vision. The brainstem, the function of the process is blood circulation, heartbeat, and respiration. The cerebellum processes the balance function coordination. Clinical case: cerebellar disorders ataxia. It is a disorder characterized by a decrease in the ability to coordinate movements, manifesting as tremors of parts of the body during voluntary movements, such as difficulty in performing precise movements. Hereditary types of hereditary autosomal recessive ataxia constitute 7 out of very small cases of neurological diseases. The most common are fringe ataxia and ataxia telangiectasia, autosomal dominant inherited.